So my wife and I are really interested in making sure that our water impact is as low as possible. I mean, we live in California. We've been in a mega drought for years here. So like we're really interested in every single possible way we can reduce the amount of water. And so installing a Hydraloop was one of the best things we could do. Like we've dramatically reduced our water. I can see it in our water bill every single month. And we've eliminated water going through our toilets and to our washing machines. No, I mean, the thing I love about the Hydraloop is honestly, we don't even notice it as a family. Like, it's just now part of our normal cycle. Like, I've definitely used tech that I've had to, like, tinker with. I had to kick. I had to make sure it's actually working properly. But once we installed the Hydraloop, it's just been in the background. Like, no one in my family even knows, unless when I start talking about it, that, like, our water is recycled now coming through the house. It's just become a normal thing of our lives. Like, I mean, I have two young children. They're 6 and 9. They were asking me, why do we have fresh water in our toilets? And I was like, we don't. Like, we actually, because of the Hydraloop, we actually have recycled water, and I was able to explain to them water is non-renewable. Like, this is the way we should think about water usage, and like we're actually now an example of how it should be done. And so I think it was a great educational point for my kids. I just wish we could figure out how to scale that up even further, but I think for my children, it's highly educational that actually having it installed.